Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2024. We're in the MultiVis booth, and I'm going to guess that a lot of you watching have not heard of MultiVis, and this is a company you should get to know, especially if you're doing network operations centers, command and control centers, or even collaboration, because they have a solution for all three of those. And I'm here with Vic Caruso. Vic, first off, congratulations on a great show, and also on your control package, your cockpit package and meeting. First, we're going to talk about control, which is everything you're seeing here on the big screen behind us. And then we're going to talk about cockpit, which can be part of control, which is in a smaller station. Then we'll talk about the collaboration. Vic, if I'm an integrator in the AV world, what would how would I engage with you, and what would I be, what would my clients be? Is it typically for example, a county or a city that engages you, or is it kind of what level of clients generally engage with you on control?
Look, anybody that wants to manage data on a network is going to be a client of MultiVis. Whether they're a government department, whether they're a municipality, whether they're a corporation. If you're looking to do anything relative to a video wall where you want to see data and work with that data, collaborate with that data, share that data, you're going to want to talk to a company like MultiVis to provide you with the tools to be able to share and collaborate and visualize the data that you're operating on.
So this is data visualization.
Exactly.
And that's your secret sauce is in the presentation of the data and the user interface being very simple. So if I have a large command center and I'm managing, say, in this case, you're looking at the weather and you're looking at the operations of maybe all your utilities, right? You can visualize that, and you have the ability to kind of switch any kind of content up here, right?
Exactly. So when you take from the old to the new, this is a digital matrix switcher that allows you to basically take multiple sources on the network and be able to showcase them on your video wall so that it responds to the need of the operation.
Right, and nowadays all of our data is on the network.
Exactly.
So all we're doing is instead of switching input sources, we're grabbing the data wherever it lives.
Exactly. So whether it's an AV over IP framework, whether it's HDMI capture, our product is kind of like hybridized so that it can respond to both requirements. So it could be a standalone video wall controller, or it could basically be a hybrid system that responds to a distributed network.
And in this case, this command center could be run just off of a heavy duty PC. I mean, you don't need a server.
Not at all.
Okay.
You can run it on an embedded system. You can run it on a compact. But we also support server class products for more mission critical environments.
Like an IT department running an entire campus or facility.
Exactly. So if you need redundancy, if you need reliability, if you need robustness, we can provide that too.
And it lives on the server on-prem, right?
Exactly.
Yeah,
exactly.
It's not an AWS product.
No, not at all. So what you have is the product works as a cloud, a web-based application.
Right.
So it's not really cloud-based.
Right.
So we don't really live in AWS.
It protects the data that way.
But
too.
we are on the network as a web application. We talk to the server through an SSL communication mechanism that allows security and allows ease of use and ease of connectivity.
Yeah, and so this is control, which gives you access to lots of data from lots of sources simultaneously. But in Cockpit, this would be for one person's specific data.
Exactly. This is operator specific, and this allows for the operator to be able to share his data with the wall.
Right, so the Cockpit data could be put on the control wall.
Exactly. So with a single press of the button, you're basically pushing data on and you're taking data off.
Right.
So it's a way to share information that is more specific to that operator, but now he has a situation where he wants to show that to all the other members of the team.
Yeah, so I can imagine that the IT department at the journalism school has this, but the entire university has this.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That's
I got
exactly
you.
the way to go.
Okay, so there's another product that I suspect a lot of people don't even realize you have that I think is sort of one of the best kept secrets in the industry, and that is MultiVis Meeting. MultiVis Meeting is full collaboration with the same basic kind of platform, like meaning on-prem, on a computer, and it's actually living on this here. It's an all-in-one system for meeting rooms, for full collaboration.
So what we're doing different than what other meeting room solutions are doing is that we're bringing collaboration and visualization to the meeting room.
Right.
So we're taking, almost consider this as like a micro control room application, right? But we're doing it from the display standpoint
and putting it here,
as opposed from the peripheral standpoint.
Right.
But all in one, we basically tie into everything that's in that meeting room. So whether it's all the AV resources that are available to that meeting room could be connected through the system, through our API, and then basically you have a touch panel integrated that allows you complete control.
And so that means that you're doing more than just connecting Zoom rooms and team rooms.
Exactly.
You're connecting every AV in the facility. So you could do HVAC, you could do control, you could do environmental, and you can also do data management and visualization.
True enough. So the whole idea behind Multiviz Meeting is to provide more resources for meetings that are not just video conferencing. There are users also in the room. There are people in the room, participants that really need more capability. So you need more than just a sharing application, and you need more than just a video conferencing application. The Multiviz Meeting Hub provides all that.
And it's all in one. You buy the hardware and you get everything.
Exactly. So it's integrated with Zoom and Teams, and it could support applications also like Google Maps, Google Calendars, Microsoft Calendars, Outlook. Whatever you need on the network, whatever the enterprise is using can be customized to work within the Multiviz Hub.
All right, so where do we find out more information? At multiviz.com?
Multiviz.com, or you could basically find me on LinkedIn under Vic Caruso, or just drop us a line on LinkedIn also under Multiviz.
All right, so we're kind of teasing you a little bit. We're going to do individual product videos on here. So go to raypubs.com/ISE, type in Multiviz in the video search window, and you'll get a deeper dive on these products. But if you're in the command and control center, network operations center, or collaboration market, engage with them, because this is a great opportunity for you to amp up what you provided. So maybe you've already put a Zoom room in, a Teams room, and the customer wants more and you don't know where to go. This is the place to go.
This is where you're going to get it.
Yeah, exactly. So Vic, thank you very much. I appreciate this. Again, all of our coverage is at raypubs.com/ISE.